ang napakahirap ang magkasakit sa ating bansa. Kaya nga po yung para sa kalaman, report balik po, doon ko po binubuhos sa National Kidney, sa PGA, so that people, especially the poor with complicated diseases, will have a chance to prolong their life. Kasi pag meron kang, halimbawa, dinadialysis ka po lang ng 3,000 per session, 3 to 4 times a week, ay talagang hindi ka na mabubuhay. With my experience as a local government executive in the past, I would want the local government units, especially the non-city, yung first, second, to third, to fourth, to fifth class municipalities to increase the revenues. And as they increase the revenues, they can direct it to direct services such as health and education. Napakahirap ang pumilos ng wala kang budget. And that's what we did in San Juan. Nagsumika po kami. We are now the top performing city in terms of delivery of basic social services. So, yun po ang gusto ko, no? I would want to sponsor and look at revenue generating measures to the 35th class municipalities so that they can use this to direct for direct services, especially health and education to the people. Thank you.